Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Sir, I said in the beginning of my speech that the work on education is the foundation of Kejriwal model of governance. The Delhi government is the only government in the country that has been spending about one fourth of its total budget in the education sector during the last 5 years. We have transformed education to scale newer heights. It is the outcome of our persistent efforts and hard work that Delhi has gained international fame in the field of education. Under the preeminent leadership and guidance of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and the industrious endeavors of teachers and children, the examination results are continuously improving. Children of government schools are now sitting on comfortable desks in the beautiful school buildings like any other private schools. Lab, libraries, and sports facilities have been established for them. Honorable Sir, the work accomplished by the government and the quality of education being imparted in schools cannot be judged only by the magnificent buildings and good examination results. If we have to create world class citizens for the country through education, then our schools will also have to face world class competition. Our plan is to make our schools even better, provide good teachers training, and also make changes in the education system that can enable our children to face world class competition. Sir, today we believe that our children are receiving is world class education. To corroborate this claim, our government is mulling over joining the PISA test in 2024. As you know, PISA test is the world's most important international educational assessment process in the field of education, which is held every 3 years. The process assesses how well the level of education received by children up to the age of 15 in a country or state meets international standards and needs. About 80 developed and highly developed countries of the world participate in this competition. We are optimistic that Delhi will achieve a distinct place on the educational map of the world by 2024 through our continuous hard work and through the Kejriwal model of education governance of last 5 years. The budget proposals for education and our preparations for the next financial year are geared up with this in mind. Our efforts in the last 5 years have not been limited to just building good school buildings and securing good examination results. We have exposed our teachers to national and international level of training, and the trained teachers learn from the experiments and experiences of the world and constantly bring new experiments to the classrooms so that our children are not confined to bookish knowledge and good score of marks alone. The government has also introduced happiness curriculum in schools, which is developing the ability of children to focus on their education as well as their relationships and behavior with parents in the family, with their classmates, etc. A very positive change can be seen in them. Children have become more self confident and they have also become emotionally strong. Under the happiness curriculum in Delhi's government schools, happiness class is conducted in the first period from nursery to class 8th, covering around 8 lakh children. Such a large scale and consistent positive emotional learning is perhaps one of its kind practiced in the world. This is the reason why America's First Lady, Mrs. Melania Trump, including the Education Minister, Mayor, etc., of countries like Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Canada, Netherlands, etc., have attended the happiness class in Delhi's government schools. Education ministers of about a dozen states of the country, officers and teachers, instructors of almost every state have attended the happiness class. Like the happiness class, the government has done another innovative experiment in the field of entrepreneurship. One period daily is dedicated to teaching entrepreneurship mindset to about 7.5 lakh children of class 9 to 12th. Under this, special attention is being given to allay the fear from the minds of children, building their confidence and helping them to think constructively and analytically. The aim is that education should empower children not only to get jobs but also to enable them to create jobs if required after finishing their studies. If they take up a job, their mindset should be entrepreneurial and they should be fearless and innovative with whatever they do. The first year of this 4-year course has shown tremendous confidence in children. With this, our government is also introducing a new patriotic course. This course is being prepared with the help of experienced academics and scholars of the society. The aim is that every child should become a patriot in his/her school age. He should not only become a good professional but also a good citizen. He should learn to live with love and respect for his country and the people of the country. Sir, in this way, you can see that through happiness curriculum, we are working on making every child a responsive and good citizen. Entrepreneurial mindset is working on making children bright and confident professionals, and patriotic courses will work to make them love and be proud of their nation and its people.